Hey everybody, it's the end of January. This is my 2021 everything book, and it's kind of like a little collection, like a scrapbook. I got this from Defy. It's a card, and I put their business cards in here. And let's see, I don't want any addresses to show. This is from Angie Brown. It was a Christmas card, but it came late, so it's in here. I received Happy Mail from Janet Nash. Let's see. Jean Peter sent me, no, this is Jean Pisano. I'm saying her name wrong, I know it. Piersanti. She sent me a beautiful card that she makes herself. I put some business cards in here from Natasha Becker, Jean Peter, and Care Hart, and I've got a bunch more I need to put in here. This is a card from Judy Clisby with a little letter that she sent along with the Harmony doll. Let's see, this is from Susie Bratu. Oh, look, she sent me flamingos. And it came with some other stuff. This is a beautiful card made by Laura Vasquez. Some of these cards came at the end of December, but they were like not even open till January because we were out and I didn't get them. Anyway, this is the Defy article that was in the Uppercase magazine, and I just stuck it in here. And like I said, this is kind of like a little scrapbook. This is a card from Christy Fiddleston. A little note from Amy at Darkwood Sanctuary. This was Jean Peter's artwork, and her YouTube channel is Jean Peter Artist. And I got this last year, but I didn't want to put it in the last year's book because it was so big. And since I'm making this one different this year, I went ahead and added to it because it had gotten misplaced, and I didn't want it to get misplaced again. These are Brooke over at Recreations by Brooke. These are the stickers that she makes. They're journal planning stickers. And, I mean, they're just gorgeous. Just absolutely. These were the ones for January. And this was the card that was on the envelope. But they are just gorgeous. Let's see. This is a thank you from the Pizarro family. And the prayer card where Victor passed away. These are zines, however you say it. This one is from Arlene Atkinzel, and this one is from Tanya McGuire. And I can't make these things. I've been practicing. I still can't make them. So I stuck them in here because I wanted to keep them. And there's a little card, very nice card from Tanya McGuire that came with a Happy Mail. These are some flowers that I got. I'm thinking I'm not sure, but it's not signed and I'm not sure who they're from. These all came from Care. This was the envelope, and I just love the wordings on it, and it's love in all different languages, and a little paper rose. But here on the back of a playing card is the history of playing cards, and I had no idea. So I have 5 more things to put in here for January, and I'm sure that most likely will close it out. Anyway, I'm going to catch it up so that it's finished by February the 1st. And then at the end of February, we'll show what else I've added to my little scrapbook. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.